Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. This is part 4 of our series SQL Performance Tuning. Last video we talked about the difference between the table scan and index scan or C, right? Okay. Now in this video I'm going to show you that sometimes what happen, we have some indexes, multiple indexes on the table, and you feel that okay, this index is being used, but I think this index is not correct, which is basically used in the query. You want to force the query that you should use your index. So today's topic is actually the force index. Okay, so let's execute this query. I would say this many rows. Fine. Now if I just come here and if I just try to indexes on this table, I would see nothing. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a two index. One index basically on ID column, which will be our clustered index, and another on the another column called as a value, and that would be the non-cluster, right? Just execute it. Okay. Now when these indexes will be executed, we'll simply run a simple query. So let's say select star from. This is what just understanding actually. So my table is actually demo, and what I'm going to do, where I'm passing where let's say value is equal to Shrikant, for example. Let's take this query and run it. Yeah, fine. So I would see the execution plan, and now let's go to the actual execution plan. Now here you would see something, you feel that no, this index is being used is basically, what is the index name? Ix demo value. So Ix demo value index has been used, which is basically correct, but you feel no, this index should not be used. I think we should try with another index. So how you can just force your query to use another index? So there is a hint, table hint actually. So you just need to use a with. Then there is a hint called as index. You just need to pass which index you want to use. I want to force this query should use this index, right? So what will I do? I'll simply run the query. Maybe I can just show like this. This is the first query, we have a same query, but now in another query we are just forcing the index. Okay, now just run it. Now we have two output. In the first one, this is the execution one. Okay, now you can see here the difference between these two. So in the first one it has been used ix demo value, which basically we personally think no, it should not use, right? So we force the query to use another index. Is it using that one? Now let's see. So if I just come here, I would see ix demo id. Yeah, this is the index which we forced actually. Yeah, right. So now here, if I just select this query and go to the execution plan, I would see another index has been used. Which index? This one. This is the one which I force query to use. Right. Now, let's understand this. So in this one, we tried actually we force our query that when you use this query, just use this index, don't use another index. So this is one of the important performance tuning tip. Sometimes we have 10 index on the table, and it another index being used on the query, but we feel that no, this index is not good. So we need to tell to the database engine, instead of that index, just try this index. Okay, hope you enjoyed our video related with the force index. If you really like our video, please comment or the comment section. It's not required you should subscribe, but at least you should comment. That will helpful for us. Thanks for watching this video.